Before deploying your flat cube, make sure you have downloaded the uWatch app, registered as a user, and linked your tag. To set up, plug in the flat cube via USB. Your phone will be alerted after 40 seconds. If a switch-on alert isn't received, move the flat cube to a higher location or near a window to increase signal strength. Switch on your tag. The flat cube will SOS beep, then alert your phone. The system is now live. Deploy the tag within 300 meters of the flat cube, in the desired location. If the flat cube doesn't send out an SOS sounder after the tag is deployed, move the tag closer.